Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Dear sisters, we're glad you're here today. Today we're diving into a journey of self-improvement and faith, exploring how you can become that girl as a Muslimah. Have you ever envisioned a version of yourself who's not just thriving in her faith, but also in her personal goals and daily routines? A Muslimah who harmoniously blends her Islamic values with an aspiration to be that girl. The one who's productive, positive, and constantly evolving. In a world where trends come and go, it's easy to feel lost, especially when trying to balance our modern lives with our deep-rooted Islamic values. But what if I told you that you can have the best of both worlds, that you can be a beacon of positive energy, productivity, and spirituality? In this ultimate guide, we will navigate the realms of spirituality, personal development, health, and productivity, all through the lens of a Muslimah striving to be her best self. But it's not just about following a trend or mimicking a routine. It's about discovering what that girl means to you as a Muslimah. It's about embracing the challenges, the early mornings, the discipline of prayer, the joy of learning, and the peace that comes with self-care, all while staying true to your faith. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Let's redefine what it means to be that girl in the Muslim world, breaking stereotypes and nurturing your soul. In order to become that girl as a Muslimah, we first need to understand what this concept truly means. It's not just about aesthetic morning routines or perfect fitness regimes. It's way deeper than that. The essence of being that girl lies in striving for excellence, or what we know in Islam as ihsan. It's about being the best version of yourself in all aspects of life, spiritually, mentally, and physically. And as a Muslim woman, your journey towards this excellence is rooted deeply in your faith. From the early mornings spent in suhoor and fajr prayer to the discipline of regular Quran reading and understanding, your Islamic practices lay the foundation for a life of discipline, mindfulness, and continuous growth. But that girl is not a one-size-fits-all label. For a Muslimah, it could mean being a diligent student of knowledge, both Islamic and worldly. It might involve being a compassionate community leader, a dedicated mother, a pioneering professional, or even all of these at once. Being that girl as a Muslimah is about embracing your unique journey and potentials. It's about setting personal goals that align with your faith and values. It's about nurturing your body with halal and tayyib, pure and wholesome, nutrition, caring for your mental health, and strengthening your relationship with Allah. Remember, this journey is personal and varies from one Muslimah to another. What matters is how you interpret and apply these principles in your life in a way that brings you closer to Allah and to the best version of yourself. Let's delve deeper into how we can achieve this balance and truly embody the spirit of being that girl in our next section. Stay tuned. Embarking on this journey of becoming that girl as a Muslimah isn't just a trend or a fleeting moment of motivation. It's a continuous path of self-discovery, growth, and staying true to your Islamic identity. Are you still with me, sister? I hope your heart is feeling inspired and your mind curious. Because now, we're moving into the practical side of things. It's one thing to understand the concept, but another to live it every day. We've discussed what being that girl means for you as Muslimah, but how do you integrate these ideals into your daily life? How do you balance your spiritual duties with personal goals? And what practical steps can you take to make this journey fulfilling and sustainable? From incorporating Islamic practices into your daily routine to finding ways to stay motivated and productive, we're about to dive into some actionable tips and real-life examples that will help you navigate this path. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress, making small, consistent changes that bring you closer to Allah and to being the best version of yourself. So, get ready to take notes, and let's explore how to practically be that girl as a Muslimah in your everyday life. Step 1. Integrating Islamic practices. Start your day with Fajr prayer and a few minutes of Quranic reflection. This spiritual routine sets a tone of mindfulness and gratitude for the day. Throughout the day, take short breaks for dhikr to keep your heart attuned to the remembrance of Allah. Step 2. Personal development and education. Continuous learning is a key part of being that girl. Dedicate time to Islamic studies and expand your worldly knowledge too. Whether it's through books, online courses, or community classes, never stop growing intellectually. Step 3. Physical health and well-being. Care for your body as a trust from Allah. Include regular exercise in your routine, be it a home workout, a walk in the park, or any sport you enjoy. Embrace halal and tayyib food choices that nourish and energize you. Step 4. Mental health and self-care. Your mental health is as important as your physical health. Practice self-care by journaling, meditating, or engaging in hobbies. Set boundaries to ensure you have time for relaxation and reflection. Step 5. Community engagement and social responsibility. Being that girl also means giving back. Get involved in community service, volunteer work, or any form of social contribution. This not only benefits others, but also enriches your own sense of purpose and connection. These steps are not a rigid framework, but flexible guidelines that you can adapt to fit your personal circumstances and goals. The key is to make them a consistent part of your life, aligning them with your faith and personal aspirations. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Each small step you take on this journey is significant. Whether it's perfecting your salah, learning a new surah, hitting a fitness goal, or just taking time out for self-care, every effort counts in the sight of Allah. As we wrap up this section, keep in mind that being that girl as a Muslimah is a beautiful blend of deen and dunya, a balance of spiritual, personal, and community growth. Let's carry this spirit forward as we move into the next phase of our journey. As we continue on this transformative journey, let's deepen our understanding and reaffirm our commitment to becoming that girl as a Muslimah. Have you felt a shift in your mindset? Are you beginning to see how the principles of Islam beautifully align with your personal growth? Now, as we delve into more nuanced aspects of this journey, it's crucial to stay connected and committed to this path. We've explored practical steps and addressed challenges, but being that girl as a Muslimah also involves a deeper understanding of our faith and how it guides every aspect of our lives. Let's continue to embrace this journey with an open heart and mind. Stay with me as we explore even more ways to weave our faith into the fabric of our daily lives, further enriching our journey towards excellence. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow, to learn, and to move closer to Allah. Stay tuned as we unveil more insights that will help you grow, not just as Muslimah, but as individuals making a positive impact in this world. Step 6. Embracing Islamic values in everyday life. Incorporate the core values of Islam, like honesty, kindness, and patience, into your everyday interactions. These aren't just religious tenets, they are guidelines for a fulfilling life. Reflect on how these values can influence your decisions and relationships. Step 7. Balancing rights and responsibilities. Islam teaches us the importance of balance. Understand and fulfill your rights and responsibilities towards yourself, your family, your work, and your community. Strive for a harmonious balance that respects all aspects of your life. Step 8. Cultivating a positive community. Also, don't forget to be an active part of a community that uplifts and supports each other. Engage in activities that not only benefit you, but also contribute positively to those around you. This sense of belonging and contribution is vital for personal growth. By enriching your life with Islamic values and principles, you don't just become that girl in the physical or material sense. You grow into a woman of substance, character, and impact. This enriching journey allows you to shine our light in the world, staying true to your faith and yourself. Embracing the lifestyle of that girl as a Muslimah is an inspiring journey, but it's not without its challenges. Let's address the real struggles you might face and how to overcome them. Struggle 1. Balancing Deen and Dunya. Finding the perfect balance between your religious obligations and worldly pursuits can be tough. You might feel overwhelmed at times, trying to excel in your career, maintain a social life, and fulfill your Islamic duties. Struggle 2. Consistency in routine. Sticking to a productive routine, especially on busy or low-energy days, is a common hurdle. It's easy to start with enthusiasm, but the real test is in maintaining that momentum. Struggle 3. Dealing with stereotypes and misunderstandings. As a Muslimah, you might face stereotypes or misunderstandings from others about your faith and lifestyle choices. This can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation or self-doubt. These challenges are real, and it's okay to acknowledge them. But remember, with every hardship comes ease. In Islam, we are taught to face difficulties with patience and resilience. Seek support from your community, friends, and family. Use tools and strategies to manage your time efficiently. Most importantly, turn to Allah in dua, asking for strength and guidance. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Your struggles in maintaining balance, staying consistent, and dealing with societal pressures are all part of your journey towards becoming that girl, a resilient, empowered Muslimah. Imagine overcoming these obstacles, growing stronger in your faith, more confident in your identity, and more balanced in your life. That's the essence of this journey. It's about evolving, not just as a Muslimah, but as a human being striving for excellence in all aspects of life. As we move towards the reward of our journey, remember that each challenge is a stepping stone towards a more fulfilling life, both spiritually and personally. Let's embrace these challenges with open hearts and minds. Having navigated through the challenges and maintained our commitment to growth, it's time to embrace the beautiful rewards of being that girl as a Muslimah. Reward 1. Spiritual fulfillment and closer connection with Allah. The most profound payoff is the deepened connection with Allah. Through disciplined daily prayers, regular Quran reading, and constant dhikr, you experience a spiritual fulfillment that transcends worldly achievements. Reward 2. Improved mental and physical well-being. By taking care of your physical health and mental well-being, you not only feel better but also gain the energy and positivity to tackle your daily tasks more effectively. This holistic self-care enhances your overall quality of life. Reward 3. Empowerment and confidence. Embodying that girl as a Muslimah fills you with a sense of empowerment and confidence. You're not just following a trend, you're living a lifestyle that aligns with your faith and values, making you a role model for others. Reward 4. Positive impact on others and community engagement. Your journey inspires others around you. Whether it's through community service, mentoring, or simply being a positive presence, you contribute to the betterment of society, embodying the true spirit of Islam. Remember, sister, the journey to becoming that girl as a Muslimah is unique for each and every one. It's not about reaching a destination, it's about growing and evolving every single day. The reward is in the small victories, the moments of clarity, the sense of peace, and the positive changes you bring in your life and the lives of those around you. Embrace this journey with an open heart. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. And always remember, In every step you take towards self-improvement, you're not alone. Allah is with you, guiding and supporting you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning and self-discovery. May Allah guide us all on the path of wisdom and righteousness. Like, comment and subscribe to explore more about Islam and come closer to Allah. Feel free to check out the playlist and the other video that will appear on your screen now. Also, don't forget to share this video with other fellow Muslimahs to share the knowledge. Stay strong and wise, fellow Muslim.